guys, I'm Rosina. Welcome to my channel, Rosina's Kitchen. And today we're going to prepare Royco Fried Chicken. Let's dive in. We have our chicken meat. We have the Royco, powdered chili, garlic, carrot and ginger, dhania, cooking oil. Now, the next step is to mix up all the ingredients that we have with the chicken. We add some little water to the Royco to make it wet. Now we are done with the last one. We're going to sprinkle it all over. We add our ginger. Mix it up, sprinkle it all over. A little bit of salt. We add some powdered chilies. Just a little. The last thing, dhania. We're good to go. Our oil. Frying pan. Is ready as it is, Royco Fried Chicken. It can be served with ugali or maybe chips or any other thing that you like. Thank you for watching my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment below. Thank you.